So today's video is gonna be about this DJI Osmo mobile. You can like move it around. You can't see. Well, there's like a D-pad where you can like push it, and it pretty much like I can move it up, down, left, right.
It pretty much moves by itself.
Yeah, pretty much. It's a phone stabilizer, so
You can record videos on it, and you don't have
no
to
matter
have your
like
phone.
how much bumps you move around, it's always just gonna stabilize it.
Yep. That's the cool part
Is
about
it
it.
three-axis gimbal. It's around $150.
Yep.
You can buy it on Best Buy, or like you can buy it at Best Buy, Amazon, Apple, or DJI. DJI actually is, or Apple is a sponsor of DJI. DJI makes like the drones and stuff. But to turn it on, you have to push the power button. You push it once, and then you hold it until it like blinks, and it like turns off.
Yep.
And there's an app for it. It's called DJI Go. And my eyes are itchy. Forgot what I was saying. Oh, first you like sign in and everything, make an account.
So tell me, Drew.
I might use this in a lot of videos so it stabilizes my phone.
So
I
tell
get
me,
a
Drew.
cleaner shot.
So tell me, Drew. What do you think this is useful for?
I think it's meant for like cinematic shots, like if you're trying to get like a clean, smooth video. That's what I think I would use it for.
If this video gets 10,000 likes, we will upload another video.
Not 10,000.
Okay,
at
we'll
least
go easy. We'll go about like 5,000.
5,000. I don't even make that many views.
5,000 likes,
No.
and you have to view this video and you have to subscribe to this channel.
Okay, 5,000 likes and I'll buy another drone.
Yes, and subscribe, and he'll buy another drone.
I'll buy the. Oh, what? It just turned off. Hold on. Malfunctioning. So whenever it turns off, it just like dangles around. What's happening? Probably needs to be charged, but it was just charging. I'll take it out for a minute. I'm just gonna have to record on my. I'm just holding it. No, it's fine. Leave it. Leave it. So now, I don't know why, but like this light is blinking. If I push it, it's not doing anything.
This is going to be Drew's fourth video.
Yep. This is actually my dad's. I don't know why he got it, but I use it most of the time now. So, what do you gotta say?
All I have to say is just like and subscribe.
Yep.
And Drew will buy another drone. But y'all get to pick which drone. Comment down below. If you can.
If you can. That
Because
goes to
sometimes you never know. YouTube disables the comments and you probably can't even be able to comment. If you can, comment down below which drone you want him to get next.
Yep. So, I think that's all. So, Like and subscribe, share.
Comment down below what kind of drone you want him to get. And we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.
Do what you gotta do.
Yep. We'll see you in the next
Bye.
one. Peace out.